Try to move. Okay? Don't stay in one place. I'm staying in one place. I'm not moving. I'm staying here. Okay? Swing. Left. What I'm gonna do? I'm not gonna go here. So left, normally I go in. I follow my left. Yeah? Knees. Look for my toes. My toes. Then I can go right if I want to. This comes here. Rotation. Out. Here. Okay? I don't do basic. Head. Now, wrong. Out. Left goes with the left. Head. Out. From head. So, just try to do that combination, right? You coordinate your body. Don't be the movement. Out. Simple. Out. Okay? Very easy. You move out. It's a triangle shape that you create. Jump. Again. Moving up. Again. Simple. Go. Out. This measurement always follow. If I make wrong here, all my body is out. You have to understand your body, the way you move. I don't do this. Wait for the back to come. That's what no. It's not what it is. More mechanical. Hello. Okay? Okay, yeah. Move it, I move it. He's pushing, I'm pushing. He's pushing here, I could go this. Head. So, head, come to me. I'm blocking, and I'm moving. So you need to rely down. If you don't just push. Don't hold it. Now, what are you going to do? I'm moving. Head. Look on my hand. Head. With the back. Don't be lazy. Move. Step in, step out. Bend your knee. Just like this. Go. Slowly, nicely.